was justice served.
On to more news now. A Carmel man now knows his sentence after pleading guilty this afternoon to attacking another driver with an axe in a road rage incident in Indianapolis.
Rich Nye had his camera in the courtroom today as the victim learned that his attacker is not going to go to jail.
Jimmy Calhoun pleaded guilty to battery with a deadly weapon. An intimidation charge was dismissed in a plea agreement over a road rage incident at 16th and MLK Jr. Streets last March. Chet Montgomery says he was driving south on MLK when Calhoun swerved into his lane. Montgomery went around Calhoun. At the next red light, Calhoun got out of his car and approached Montgomery's car with an axe. Montgomery got out of his car to defend himself. Montgomery wrestled the axe away from Calhoun, but suffered cuts to his thigh, hand, and chin that required stitches.
Jimmy Calhoun did knowingly touch Chet Montgomery in a rude, insolent, or angry manner by cutting him, and said touching was committed with a deadly weapon and axe.
Are those facts true?
Yes, sir.
Are you in fact guilty of count 1 battery by means of a deadly weapon as a level 5 felony in that cause?
Yes, sir.
Calhoun received 2 years of home detention plus 2 years probation.
My client's a 20-some-year veteran of Special Forces, the military. He faces serious medical treatment in the near future with regards to heart surgery.
Calhoun is also required to pay restitution. Montgomery told the judge he has $12,000 in unpaid medical bills.
I wanted to see what this was all about as far as his sentencing. And I guess I learned my lesson today. Yeah.
What'd you learn?
Well, I learned that you can take a plea and basically not have to go to jail.
This case also violated Calhoun's probation on a conviction out of Boone County for conspiracy to commit dealing in a narcotic drug. He'll be back in court in Boone County later this month. Rich Nye, 13 News.
Calhoun is also now required to complete an anger management course, undergo a mental health evaluation and treatment, as well as substance abuse evaluation and treatment too.